And now I'd like to introduce the people that are going to give out the JADE Award. Marinka Kopier and Susan Gold.
I'm Susan Gold, and I'm with the IGA Education SIG in the Global Game Jam. This is my friend Marinka. I'll let her introduce herself.
I'm from Utrecht University.
And a few other things.
Yeah.
We had the pleasure of going through and looking at all of the games that had a rather diverse group that, in other words, weren't just men. And we really like the idea of promoting diversity within the teams, because we really feel that that collaboration and bringing unlike minds together really breeds experimentation and innovation. So without further ado, we'd like to announce this year's JADE Award. And the winner is?
Our cake.
Thank you so much.
And a JADE Award to my wife, who has put up with this for 2 months.